Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. We are going to be heading out to a meet and then to Mexico. I'm personally not going to be racing my car tonight. I'm going to be spotting, but there are some runs that I actually do want to see because there's some cars that have been kind of going back and forth. Now, we're going to be pulling up to a meet. Allegedly, Dan Rue is there. I don't know about that. What you think, man? Good night or bad night?
I'm gonna have low expectations and
low
and hope for high.
Yeah,
you know, high.
Yeah, I feel you on that. These
I feel like, bro, I always say this shit's like I'm
yeah,
hyped as hell and it always like just kills my mood.
Yep.
It always turns out the opposite.
Yep. We'll see. We'll see, y'all. I don't really know what's gonna go down tonight as far as runs go. I'm not planning on running anybody. I'm gonna be on spotter duty. I'm not running the car until we go ahead and pull it down, because I've raced literally everyone. like no joke, y'all, I've ran everybody. Ain't nobody left for me to run besides, you know, watch people who haven't ran yet.
One eternity later.
We have a heavy hitter race going on right now. Two nice cars. Got a Portabloor GT500 and a cammed Hellcat. But this is actually a very, very fast cammed Hellcat. Very fast. I will not be racing tonight. I'm going to record the race. But this Hellcat is it's set up proper. It is set up very proper. I'm not gonna go ahead and air out all the mods on the Hellcat or the GT500, but like I said, Portabloor GT500, cammed Hellcat. I honestly don't know how this is gonna go. Now, I've ran this GT500, but he is on a completely different setup now. I don't know.
A lot of people out here care.
What do y'all think? What you think?
What do I think?
Who's taking the dub?
Honestly,
The GT500 or the Hellcat?
As the owner of the Hellcat, I think the Hellcat will lose, but it is down 200 horsepower. We'll see what's gonna happen.
I don't know, man.
A tendency to not hook, so
yeah,
might not work out very well.
He has a tendency to not.
What you think?
Either, so, like,
What you think?
Man, dude.
You feeling confident?
I don't know. I'm just because guys, bro. I'm a safe buddy.
I don't know.
He don't give a fuck.
We're in some hazy conditions. You know, we guys are admittedly on the roads.
Actually, he's also on a new untested belt.
Fresh tires.
I'm on a brand new belt, untested, brand new tires.
Not the right size belt for the
Plenty of testing. Yeah, plenty.
I'll tell you what.
Plenty of testing.
If the Hellcat wins,
It's
I'm
gonna start some commotion.
I'm gonna start spending some money. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna get one?
Huh?
You're gonna get
The
one?
Hellcat?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm gonna get some brakes. I'll tell you that right now. Hey, them 18s 20 combo gone.
Yeah, that would have to be the trick. I don't know what else you got up your sleeve. Have we popped the hood? Just for the hell of it.
These fucking dudes.
We're gonna see a Whipple under the hood.
A little hunter shot out.
Yeah.
It's got a small pulley on there.
bully.
285. It's not very small.
What's the lower on there?
It's a stock lower.
We're either doing a 60 or 80 roll though, we say, right?
I'm watching them.
If we can't hook at 60, we'll do an 80.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, I'll spot
Yeah,
it.
and then if y'all don't hook at 60, then if you pull up next to me, like I don't know if we'll come back or whatever the fuck's going on.
Just
but
do a test it first. See how you get, like if you get down or not. And then I'm gonna do one also. And then if we both get down, then we'll just line up.
As soon as you guys get on the highway, I'll get ahead.
You guys are all good in the rear.
All right, it's the next day, back at the Casa. The GT500 took the W. It did beat the Hellcat all 3 runs. That Hellcat is fast. I wish we could have ran the car last night, but I'm not trying to run it with the way the pumps are currently. It's just too inconsistent. It's like every other run, it kind of cuts out. It's because they're very, very weak. I've had the same fuel pumps in this car since I bought the car, and I've been using the booster pumps for over a year now. Like, and that's kind of insane when you think about it. This car has been on the stock fuel system, stock pumps, and a booster pump for over a year now, and it's seen over 950 wheel horsepower. That's kind of crazy in all reality, but we are going to go ahead, replace all that, and then turn the car back up. We're going to put the 105mm pulley on the car just to start again, because I want to test it with the transmission, and then after that we are going to go to the 100, because if you guys are unaware, I broke 2 stock transmissions on the 105mm pulley. Now that we have the Ben Calimer Stage 3 transmission with the billet G-force gear sets, I have to test it out with the 105 just to see if everything is good to go. We should be good to go. I'm praying everything is good to go, because I know, number one, you guys are interested, and I'm also interested. Now, as far as the S650 goes, we'll see what's gonna happen with this car later on this week. I might sell it, I might keep it. We'll find out. I'm most likely going to let it go just for the fact that I don't drive it, and I'm trying to save up for something that I really want. And I know for a fact you guys are gonna enjoy it sitting right here next to the Shelby GT500. It's gonna be nasty. So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid. Oh my God, I'm gonna fall in my garage. Subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and yeah, stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.